Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to apply materials to your meshes, and then in a little bit we'll check out the material editor and show you briefly how you can create your own materials, and then point you to some other resources that explain better how to do that. I'm not an expert by any means on how to do that, but there are a lot of resources out there. So let's just start over here, and we'll kind of work our way. You really can do it however you want, but I'm just gonna show you how we do it here. So here we've got that slab, and I went ahead and before I exported out, I created this whole slab and these retaining walls as one object. And so I can come in here. There's several ways we can do it. One way is we can just go to materials, and we can just drag it. And you notice it has this green box around it. That's saying that's where you can drop it. We'll just go and we'll drop it in here. The other way you can do it is you can select here, and it gives you a list of all your materials in your project, and we can select it from there, right? So you can see it's kind of got a grimy concrete texture. Another way you can do it is you can just drag directly to the object this way, right? Now, as you notice, that just puts it on whatever element is you're dragging onto. So I drag it there, puts on the rest of that, right? You know, put some concrete in there. We know, for example, we want this to be grass, right? So put that on there. Kind of fills it out, grass. Now, another way we can do it, for example, if we wanted to change on all instances of an object, for example, these windows, we have lots of these windows. I can come in here and double click on this, and it'll pull up the object editor, right? Window. Now I can do the same thing here. I can take materials, say this glass, and I can drag it on here, and it'll do it here. And once I save it, you can see it updates it here as well, right? So we can come in here and we can say, all right, we want this to be wood. So we'll just grab this walnut just and put it on there. Now, as you can see, for some reason it has these as separate pieces, which is fine. That looks like that's probably the inside window seal. You could have something different there, or you can do the same. It doesn't matter. We'll go ahead and do that, and we'll say that's our window. So I'll hit save here, and as you can tell, it updated it throughout. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. Now let's so you can just kind of go through and add materials where you want. Now we can adjust some materials or do other things there. Let's come in here. Let's add these concrete panels in here. It kind of looks like cast in place panels. Put that in here. Let's do the same thing here. We could even, say, oh, well, I don't really like that. So let's do, the poured concrete, just like the other space. Go in here. Now, if you notice, it's only showing two elements, even though we had all the different things. It separated it out by material for us. So if we drag the glass on, we notice that's the wrong one. That's the mullions. So we can come back and put the glass there, and then change this. So now that we've just go ahead and let's apply glass there, apply glass there. Might just be how the model's set up. can just kind of make it however you want, right? Now you could go through and match it to what you had in your Revit file, which I'll kind of show you how to edit things there. That's tripping me out. So this is normally what glass looks like. I don't know why it's doing that. But just go around and you can just apply these materials like so. So I'm gonna break here and let you kind of explore a little bit and add materials, and in the next one I'll kind of show you the material editor and just a little bit of what you can do in there. Thank you.